Chicken face, you see that? Huh? Yeah?
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 Yes.
The birdies, they like the food, huh?
So zoom into the thing.
He went behind.
There you go. See the cardinal's head. Oh, look, the sterling.
Oh, the big
sterling
bird is coming.
Yeah. Oh, there's the African bird too. There's coming.
Oh, the sterling is coming from behind.
I heard that they're feisty a bit.
Oh no, it looks feisty.
It does. It's fine. That's there. Birds are birds. Only bad birds are hawks.
Is it coming? It's thinking. Oh, it's coming slowly around. It's behind. It's coming slowly, see?
Yeah, it's like a thief. It's like a thief. Look at the cardinal. I've never seen a cardinal this close before.
I know. It's so nice.
The color is